you 7 years of heaven. My life can never be measured by the number of breaths I take each day. But it will be measured by the moments you take my breath away. I love you.
I love you.
I never told you that. But I meant it every day.
Your heart doesn't hold any secrets from me. Loving you has always been a privilege.
I banged your friend Melanie last week.
I know.
You do?
It's all right. I had sex with your brother at Melanie's. With Melanie.
Which brother?
Brothers.
I didn't lose $50,000 in the stock market. I spent it on a 42-inch plasma widescreen television. Oh, and drugs.
Where is it?
It's at Melanie's.
I stole your dead mother's ring at the viewing.
I voted Republican.
So did I. Would you like some bread?
No, thank you. I killed a man.
Who?
Not sure. I was driving my car. I pulled over, picked up a hitchhiker, and strangled him in the back seat.
I was born a man.
No, you weren't.
Neither were you.
Oh, that's very cruel.
I have a confession to make. I also killed a man.
Who?
You. I put arsenic in your wine when you went to the bathroom.
It was a good marriage.
Could have been a great marriage. Close your eyes and think of happy memories, my love.
I switched the glasses.